Here is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service for the listening area.
Took them some time for that.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Catawba County, southwestern Davie County, southeastern Alexander County, central Iredell County, northwestern Lyon County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Taylorsville to 4 miles north of Statesville to 7 miles southwest of Knoxville, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Statesville, Troutman, Stony Point, Claremont, Coralini, Cleveland, Catawba, Lookout Shoals Lake, Lake Norman State Park, and Mount Ella. If on or near Lake Norman, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Davie, Iredell, and Grand. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards station WWF60, operating on frequency 162.50 MHz.